Hey friends! Today we're going to draw a pineapple using glitter colors. So grab your art tools and let's get started.
Welcome to tinyhandsart.
Yay! First, I draw a round oval shape. This is the body of the pineapple. Now, I draw diagonal lines across the body. These lines divide the surface into small diamond shapes, just like a real pineapple skin. Did you know? The skin of a pineapple has many small eyes. These are actually the parts where its flowers used to be before it turned into a fruit. Next, I draw the crown on top. It looks like spiky leaves growing upward. The crown of the pineapple is not just for looks. You can plant it in soil, and it will grow into a whole new pineapple plant. Now it's time to color with glitter colors. First, I color some parts of the body with glitter orange. Then I fill the rest with glitter yellow. Let's color the crown. I start with deep green for some leaves. Then I add light green to the rest. And it's done! Our shiny glitter pineapple looks amazing! If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more colorful art videos. See you next time! Bye-bye!